An alternative method of overcoming moisture levels within the subfloor is to apply Altro Everlay. Altro Everlay A is a 1.2 mm thick, 2 meter wide sheet, which is loose laid to the subfloor to protect the adhesive from moisture within the subfloor. The sheets of Altro Everlay should be laid in the same direction as the floor covering, but ensuring that the joints do not correspond with those of the floor covering. Make sure the existing subfloor is smooth and flat. Roll out the material, butting the joints and cutting in the perimeter. If self-coved, the cove former should be adhered to the wall and surface of the Everlay. In this instance, we are flat laying. The surface material can be straight laid and sealed with ultramastic.